Hi guys! So today we are going to keep talking about flags. Now if you remember, flags are something that you can use to block light in your scene. You could use a black piece of poster board or some foam or anything that you're just gonna flag the light. So that just means blocking it off from part of the subject in your frame. I'm going to be doing more of a food photography still life scene, and we're going to be blocking off this light to give us a couple different looks. So the first one I'm going to start with is just this right here. I'm going to just take a test shot. I am at f8, ISO of 100 and a 1/200th shutter speed. First thing I'm going to do is pull in this black foam board, and I'm going to put it right next to here to see what we can get. Let me just get a shot with a flag on the left and a flag on the right, and we'll see what that looks like. So that did a good job of getting rid of the bright light that was right along the table. And now I'm going to make what I call cave light, and that is where I'm just going to build a cave around my subject. So I'm going to have something on this side, something on this side, and then something over the top to stop this light from hitting the top of the cabbage. The only light is coming in from the front. So let's say that I would still like my backdrop to have a little bit of light on it, but I don't want this part of the table to be shiny. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to use a little piece of black foam, and I am going to block right there so that light will be coming back and hitting my backdrop and also swinging around and hitting my cabbage, but it will be blocking this table. Let's see if that works. We'll go ahead and we'll get one shot without just so we can compare them. Now, the last type of light that I'm going to create is called keyhole light. And that's where I'm going to put flags all the way around, blocking light from all the way around, except for just a narrow strip that the light will come through. And that's just gonna light one portion of our image. So I'm going to try to get the light to come right across this front turnip. All right, so I want the light coming across right there. That is pretty good. I think I will brighten my flash just a little bit. So it's at 1/16. Let me bring it out further. Then I'll make it a little bit more narrow and a little bit more narrow. So now I would like to have the light blocked on the top and the keyhole light. I'll pinch this up right here. I'm gonna have my cover and my keyhole light. I'm gonna go ahead and experiment with this and try to get a couple different looks. Have kind of a thin strip of light. I'm going to even give it a thinner strip of light this time. So a really thin strip. What else could I do here? So thin strip, thicker, thicker. So you can just try different angles. There's nothing to keep you from just doing whatever. All right, and this time I'm going to block the light coming into the front and let this light spill in through the back. Just blocking it up from the top. I'm gonna put it on a timer again and do some keyhole light, but with the top showing. I'm gonna pull this in so that maybe I can get a little bit more light on that backdrop. All right, so I went ahead and got a variety of shots using keyhole and cave light. This is a great type of lighting to use for still life photography and also for food photography. It's very dramatic, it's very moody, and I really love it, and I hope you guys like it too. So I can't wait to see what you create today. Bye guys.